How to block or report someone on Tumblr. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, go to the profile of the user you want to block or report. You can do this by searching for their username, typing your name from a post or message, or by visiting your own profile and checking the following section. Once you are on their profile, tap the three dots icon usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Here you will see several options including block and report. To block the user, simply tap block. This will prevent them from following you, messaging you, or interacting with any of your posts. If you want to report the user for inappropriate behavior or content, tap report. You will be prompted to select a reason such as harassment, spam, or other violations. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete and submit your report to Tumblr's moderation team. Now you know how to block or report someone on Tumblr. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.